This is supposed to be my new baby, Ashton Drake, sleeping newborn. They sent me, oh, I got this too. This is just some good, like real good organic toothpaste I bought, no fluoride. Okay, and then here's the actual box that the doll hopefully is in. And we'll open that up. I hope you can see me with my cell phone there. Maybe my son can edit some of the stuff out that is insignificant. Okay, we're getting closer here. Oh, you know what? It looks like it looks big. Here's the authenticity certificate of birth. Master doll maker Jason. It's an NPK. Mama, it's called Mama Dolls. Okay, let's see how heavy this baby is. Oh, she's heavy. Let's open up the bag. Oh, look, it has a nice zip where I can put it back in there. Feels like a real baby. It's got little shoes, pretty little lacy socks, and she's got something on her arm here. It looks like an authenticity thing. Doesn't have the baby's name on it though. I'm gonna cut this protective stuff here off of her up. I don't want to cut her. But actually I bought a boy's outfit today at Walmart, and I was gonna make this one a boy. It's already got skinny jeans on, so that can be a boy. Turquoise is my favorite color. That's what color her jacket is. Can you see her? She's real pretty. Real happy so far. I think she looks like a boy. Okay. Get rid of all this stuff. She's got a net to keep her hair nice. I'll keep that. Oh, she's got real nice hair. Something just fell. I got a binky, and it's a magnetic binky, if you can see that. And she's got a bottle. I never hit a baby with a bottle before, so I don't know how to use that. I don't know if it even fits in her mouth. Well, that's not important, but she's got real pretty hair. In the back, you can see in the back, she's got pretty hair, pretty eyes, pretty face. Let me see how this thing's running. Blue eyes. And let's see if we can get some more shots from here. Dumb phone. Let's see. I got a dumb smartphone. If that ain't an oxymoron, I don't know what is. Okay. I'm just gonna shoot later and have my husband do it.